Oh my God, side here.
That's the mango float. Delicious.
I can say it's perfect because as a senior citizen, it's better to taste like no, not sweet, not so sweet.
Okay.
Spectacular.
Wow! Smell spectacular.
I was mesmerized.
Wow!
Shock na lang.
It's very expensive and just getting my European. Okay, back to buy that. Be my Okay. Pen, yes, go.
But never mind, dahil windy naman. Nagpag ako dito! Tatlong try. Wala, tingnan mo. Okay lang wala pa yung... Nakatatlong try siya. I really. Four. Isa ka lang eh. Kahit mag-isa lang siya, apat yung yes. Dalawa na. So ano na, 8 na eh. Kasi sobra na. Tuog beer house.
Beer house ba? Beer house kung tatak-tatak.
October 12, 19.
November 12.
Anak ko patay, mali pa yung date.
Hey y'all! Wow, feeling talaga. So today is December 23rd and it's the day that my family is coming to Singapore! Alis na ako, baka malate pa ako. Mauna pa silang mag-arrive kesa yung ako na taga dito at susundo lang. So let's go! Fetching mode! So we are here now at Changi on our way. Hindi pa ako gising talaga.
Okay, so hindi natin kinaya ang antok and we ordered some tea. Na sobrang init, hindi ko mahawak. Wait lang. Ang init na. Hold that thought. Okay, so in our vlogger era, ay, ano ba tayo no? Up! Ay, zoom mo naman. Pwede siya mag-ano. Ay, sorry, as I need. Wala. Ay, cute ka. Bakit umaakit ka? Detecting. Walang face detecting. Okay, detect. Perfect.
Na-figure out na natin kung paano tong DJI na to. Wait lang, painom muna. Init, di. Mag-init siya. Hold that thought. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. OMG, nag-land na sila.
Ano pag-zoom? Iba na, hindi na. Ay, nainis ako.
Yes, nag-arrive na sila. Oh my! It's my dad! Hello, Dad! Say hello! Sabi ko ba, it looks like my dad, but I'm not sure if it's my dad. And then you came out, and then it's my dad. Welcome to Singapore again! Grabe naman ang outfitan for this arrival. Maka-shade. Hello! So yeah, what's up? Rebonded nating mother. Ano?
Sabi doon sa immigration yung ano.
Bakit? Sige, chika pa.
Porkit nakaiba lang.
Oops. Oh, and our dig-dig eh. Oh, we're all here. It's the famous rain vortex in Changi. Kain muna kami because everybody is hungry. Food Republic. Kami kain. Pagbalik ko ay wala nang sabaw. At syempre ako ay talaga namang hindi pa nakakakain. Busog na ako, nakikita ko silang kumain. Char. Linya yan ng parents, di ba? Grabe talagang...
Walang pinipiling mo ba? Tell me you're Filipino.
Without telling me you're Filipino. Andito din kasama ko ang isa pang vlogger. Ayaw magpatalo ng isang vlogger. Is it the Christmas tree? So we finally made it out of the house, no? We took a nap after we got home from the airport kasi wala kami tulog na. So now, it's almost 7 p.m. and we're gonna have dinner. We will go to Lau Pa Sat! Yes! So gutom na ako. Andito kami sa taas ng bus. Yung dalawang matatanda nandun sa baba kasi hindi na makaakyat.
Lau Pa Sat, trivia for you guys. Lau Pa Sat is an old
Like, we're here! Muntik na kaming makipag-away talaga sa pedestrian dahil hindi siya nag-green kanina. Ayan, buti ngayon green na siya. So, all is well. The aftermath of our Lau Pa Sat dinner. My go-to drink, sugarcane.
Then out of that,
Wow! What was your favorite?
salted egg.
Oh, salted egg squid. What's your favorite?
Egg and onion.
Yes, correct. And what was your favorite?
Noodle soup.
Wow. Yes, so that's it for our Lau Pasat dinner. Oh, that was so cool. Say hi. Welcome to Singapore. So now, since kakain na namin and busog kami, we're gonna do some walking and punta kami ng Merlion Park.
Like a 14-minute walk from La Pasada because we have a senior citizen.
The 14-minute walk will become times 5 minutes. It will become 25 minutes. But never mind, dahil windy naman. Diba? Nag-vlog ako dito! For me, ito talaga ang best view, the Marina Bay Sands from afar. Ang makagaya po ng post doon, may libre. Wow! 10 out of 10. Pasok ka na sa hotel mo. Sana all. See you po, ma'am. Bye. Ano room number nyo? Nakahanap na po sila ng mauupuan. Kumusta naman po ang feeling natin?
Masaya.
I got land on the land, the sea, the sky, pledge allegiance to your hand, your team, your vibes. Na, 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 na. Wow! Ito yung pamilyang hindi makaalis sa bahay. Nasa pinto na bumalik pa. Sana kaya natin today makaalis. At nakaalis din. Christmas Eve, and we're so busy. But follow us. Today's itinerary is Tiong Bahru Market. Yeah. Grabe, oh, meron ng agawang nangyayari, hindi mga ako nakakasubo. Napakahirap talaga.
Gutom lang all. Pero as a vlogger, kailangan punan din.
Oh, yung iba hindi na nakunan kasi inubos na nila. Ayan na po, wala nang ebidensya.
Wala nang ebidensya.
Ito na lang, must have ko for this trip. Xiaolongbao. As if hindi ka na dito. So, tapos na mag-lunch. The reason why talaga kami nandito because si Papa request na gusto niya makapunta ng wet market for some reason.
Pala niya, wala wet market.
Siyempre meron. Dito kami mamamalengke for Noche Buena. Excuse me po. Sir, may data po pala kayo? Ano pong ginagawa niyo?
Wala akong data, hindi man kailangan ng data ito. Oh.
Ang cool nyo naman, again, fit check, fit check. Excuse me, do you have ribs? $21 per kilo. Ilang kilo? O, sa supermarket na.
So, ang ending, wala kaming nabili.
Ganyan, kasi sabi ko sa'yo, the early bird catches the meat.
Ngayon ng oras kasi wala kami na-catch because we are not early birds. We're late bloomers.
O, diba, ang ending, andito lang din kami sa Fair Price Extra. So, bibili kami ngayon ng ingredients for pork ribs for the Noche Buena later.
Mga presyuhan ay talagang nagpe-presyuhan, nagko-convert. Ngayong Pasko, ito talaga ay dinadaan ko na lang sa Inhale Exhale. Pikit-pikit na lang at talagang meditation. Sige, Pasko naman, once a year.
Ang role ko ito na. Hindi ako sa pagpipili ng ingredients. Dito na ako sa final stage, yung bayaran. Dito ako medyo shy.
My mama told me it's alright. Starting so
Merry Christmas, love. Ho, ho, ho.
What's my vlog?
Polly in Australia.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas, Polly. Mwah.
Happy Christmas. moi.
Okay, end of vlog. Hello, time check. It's 9:39 and this is the Christmas outfit. We are wearing a red top. Look at our Noche Buena feast. It's very Filipino. Sisig. And yes, we have the Jollibee Chicken Joy. Boom. Hi! Merry Christmas! This is video. We are gonna eat Noche Buena so that we can start with the exchange gift later.
Yes, don't worry.
You have to dance for the vlog.
Nakakahawa yung enthusiasm mo.
Spell! That's the mango float made by Regina with love. What can you say?
Very delicious.
I can say it's perfect because as a senior citizen, it's better to taste like not sweet, not so sweet.
Okay, that's it. Thank you, senior citizen. How about you? What can you say?
Spectacular.
Wow! Spell! Spectacular.
S-P-E-C-D-A-C-U-L-E-R.
Perfect. And you, please.
I was mesmerized.
Wow!
Shock na lang. Yung ganito. Ganito.
Oh my God, she said it's very expensive. And she's getting my European. Ganda mo back to me.
Okay, back to
Buy that.
Mini Mart. Yes.
Can it be my turn? Mom, are you done? Yeah. It's my time. It's so good. As a 30s, not so sweet.
It took 2 to 3 people just to open this wine. Di nga mahugot eh. Ano kaya this year? 7 already. Take that! You're my hero! Everybody!
Okay. Hey, party! Woohoo! Double, double, double.
6, 7, 8.
Sila na lang.
It's okay. This one.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Oh. 2, 3. Oh.
So authentic. Oh my God, beside me.
Oh my God.
Go, Bernie.
Wait. White. What's it?
Rag! I meant rug. No, yes, go.
Pen, pineapple, apple, pen, pineapple, apple, pen. Pen, yes, go.
Stop, post, stop, post, post, stop. Stop, post, stop, spot. Roll this.
What roses? Rose lang, rose.
Lang eh.
Host low Spurs, rose.
Run. Run, run. Suck.
Look at all the presents. You give all your gifts first.
Okay, open. What's my God?
You show it to the kids. There's my gift.
Thank you.
Wait, we're not done, guys.
Mother, father, this is from Barbara and Rod, all the way from you.
My turn. Come
What? Wow!
We are so lucky to have you. Thank you for being friendship of
Oh my, wait. Paul has a letter for the future in-law.
Thank you, Barbara. That's how you wear it. Yes, so fashion.
Thank you, Barbara and Rod. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Ayan, yung nag-greet sa atin. Busy na ang all. Bye, Regina. Bye, Bernie.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for visiting. Bye-bye.
Thank you for inviting. Thank you for the food. Yummy.
Okay.
Yum, yum.
It's officially December 25. Happy birthday, Jesus. And I think it's safe to say that this is where our Christmas salubong ends. It's already 1:43 a.m. It's our first time in 7 years to celebrate Christmas as a whole family. So, I'm very grateful. And nairaos namin ang Christmas Eve, ang salubong, with all the food. And yeah, it was just so much fun opening the gifts and all. Yung bisita kahapon, nagbabalik.
Mas ko po.
Go well. And I need it. The Grudge.
Four? Isa ka lang eh. Grabe, tagal lang may tawid. Kahit mag-isa lang siya, apat yung yes. Ikaw din, yes. Dalawa na. So ano na, 8 na eh. Kasi sobra na. I really. Tatlong try. Wala, tingnan mo. Okay na wala pa yung... Nakatatlong try siya. I really.
Meron pa?
Wow. Christmas Day. And we are going to attend the Mass. Mass done. Lalabanan ako ng isang vlogger dito. The homily was so nice kasi may presentation. Ano sabi ng homily? Love is not
Love
rushed.
is not rushed.
Nakinig sila. Love is not rushed.
Akala ko rust.
Ayaw nang magbigayan. Paskong Pasko. Paskong Pasko ayaw magbigayan.
Okay, so napag-desisyonan ng family na hindi naman kami gardens by the bay because everyone is so tired.
Ayan na. Kiss the bride. Eh, kasi magkalayo sila sa simbahan kanina. Hindi nakapag-kiss sa Peace Be With You.
Tinignan ko siya, hinihintay ko siya.
Hindi ko na-get.
Hindi niya nakuha yung ano mo, pahiwati.
Yung body language mo.
Wow, body language. Ito namang sinayawan na lang.
Nag-fit check kung kailan pauwi na.
Hi guys, vlog takeover. Pauwi na kami. Pupunta pa sana kami ng gardens. Kaso, na-foresee ko kasi na uulan. Napag-desisyon na magdi-dinner na lang, ends time na lang. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Tell me you're in Singapore without telling me you're in Singapore. 15,000 steps.
So wala rin masyado nangyayari today kasi umulan. Tapos natawagan ako sa work. Ang plano na ngayon ay dinner. And uuwi na kami dahil kailangan mag-prepare for tomorrow. Kung anong gagawin namin bukas, abangan! Sushi Tay. May sushi ko eh. Ayaw, sigig, yaw. For tonight, we are eating here at Sukiya. Let's go!
Anong depensa mo kung bakit pwede kang payagan mag-beer for today?
Pero atok siya.
May alcohol siya. Pwede mag-beer. Ito yung beer niya.
Parang ano lang.
Taste test.
Parang ano lang.
Juice, San Miguel. Ikaw, ano namang masasabi mo?
Wait. Marag lager light. More on beer house.
Tuog Beer House.
Beer house ba? Beer house ko tatak.
Sana beer lang.
Beer lang. Saka may ano pa, may katib.
Oops!
Hindi mo na malikaya ng sa
Wow, ang pogi. Ilang years na kayong married? Engineer? Hoy, nag-silver wedding anniversary na kayo.
Ba't parang sa akin kayo naghanap ng sagot? Alam nyo dapat yan.
Bakit ba kami pa yung pinagko-compute nyo?
Ng mag-asawa yan.
Na meron.
November 19.
Anak ko, patay. Mali pa yung date. Okay, with ice cream. Thank you so much, Kelvin. Ulit, nagkakaagawan. Sabi niya, ay, may matcha pala. Sa'yo na yan, chocolate. Char.
Kasi alipin sa gumba.
Offsetting.
Alipin sa
Pagmamahal. Anong sabi mo? Yung kain natin pag New Year. Ba't ka sumasayaw? Yung pinapagalitan siya.
artist naman abutin mo na.